Kind of crazy, but we're walking in now. This is my favorite pizza. Let's go to IVP. Oh look.
Jalapenos, green olive. They got a lot more flavor on black olives.
Right.
Sam's Club is a store that's known for large quantities. It's like a Costco. It's like, I guess, the rival of a Costco. So we're walking in now. All of this.
Show everything to my Slovenian people.
Okay, we're on our way to Mass. We are walking up now. She's going to our beautiful parish here in Macon, Georgia for the very first time. It's called St. Joseph's Catholic Church. So we're on the way now. Make sure no one's crossing the street, but here it is. It's absolutely stunning. This church is so beautiful, and it's right here in the middle of Georgia. It's really I would say, hidden gem in this area just because it's so stunning. I'll show you one more time.
Ooh, show point one.
Wow.
One.
It's really something special. So anyways, we have these long white stairs we're walking up. We're going now. So let's go. We just want to pop in here real quick and make sure to like and subscribe to the video. It helps us to continue to explore new places, to bring you new content and show you our life in this beautiful world. If you're liking the video, please like. And if you love our channel and this video itself, you should be subscribed. So we hope that you'll join us.
Yes.
Let's keep going. Cheers. Let's go. Okay, we're just now leaving Mass. So what are your thoughts? Is it different than in Slovenia?
It felt much longer to me. Yeah, I think it's very different. It's quite different. A lot of differences in the whole process on this.
Yeah, I would say it's much different too, just from my experience in Slovenia. Obviously, for me, it's a lot harder to follow just because it's in Slovene. And I'm used to the English, obviously. That's what I grew up with, so. Or that's what I've learned. So anyways, new experience. All right, let's go eat dinner. All right, we just got to Ingleside Village Pizza here in Macon, Georgia. You can see the sign, maybe. Sunlight's kind of crazy, but we're walking in now. This is my favorite pizza. If you haven't seen my Macon vlog from Christmas last year, check it out. And I went here, so there's another video if you want to see that, but let's go.
That's the same one.
Yeah, this is the same one. Let's go to IVP. Oh look. What do you think?
Christmas?
Christmas. Halloween. Cool. Let's eat. Killer sticks.
Do I cut it?
Yeah, you can cut it.
Green olive.
And what is the other one?
Jalapenos, green olive. They got a lot more flavor on black olives.
Right. Yeah, that's true.
Dig in. Pull your slice off. Just put your plate up there and pull it off.
Wow, look at
Prim
the
and proper.
All right, I need a pizza review.
It was very different from our pizzas, but it was good. It was full. I got one piece and a half, and I'm full. We had pepperoni. You need to help me with that. We had pepperoni, olives,
Bacon.
and jalapenos.
Yep.
A lot of cheese. We also got
Killer sticks.
killer sticks. I didn't know what that was until I tried it because you can really see because it was covered with cheese.
Okay, I'm taking Petra to Sam's Club for the first time. Sam's Club is a store that's known for large quantities. It's like a Costco. It's like, I guess, the rival of a Costco. So we're walking in now. It's a really special experience here. Just because of, you see that lady staring?
Like, what is that?
She was just staring at us like we were crazy. But yeah, they have everything. Let's follow them. Following you, bro. You gotta be in front because we're, unless you want to be.
G.
Yeah, G. Look. Look. The G on the plate. Oh, that's Georgia.
I know.
That's the Georgia team. Oh, there's another one. Anyways, this is, look at all the TVs. And then here's the cafe.
What?
They got the cafe, the hot dogs, pizza, jewelry.
How's that all in one store? What?
Phone service, iPads.
You're kidding.
Looking for Petra. She's lost right now. We're just getting footage of all of this.
Show everything to my Slovenian people because that's new. We don't have a store like that. At least I don't know. If we do, please let me know in the comments. But I don't think we do. It's a lot of everything. You have jewelry, and then next to it you have watches. Then next to it you have iPads. Then next to it you have meat and sushi. I don't know. It's weird. That's what it is. I guess it's good because you have everything here. But at the same time, you come here and it just feels weird because you have watches in the middle of everything. And then you have meat and cafe right next to it. So how does that work? You know what I mean? Oh, fruits, okay. So we come from, I guess it's connected, it's kitchen supplies. See how many microwaves you have? It's just funny because everything is, it's just so much of everything. Like if I would come here, if I would live here, I'm not, but if I would live here and I would not know this store, I have no idea how I would find anything. Even though there are categories and you can see it says cutlery, it says trash bags, paper plates, whatever. But still, I mean, it's a lot of everything. Show them the whole store, like how big the store is. It's okay. Let me do it then. It's huge. Okay, you have everything. So it's really, what do you think?
Yeah, it's I mean, now that I've lived in Slovenia and Europe, it's such a big store. I mean, look at all the beers. All the beers here. Look at the quantities. 24 glass bottles. Like, I don't think you can get a pack more than like, I don't know, 8 in Slovenia. But they have everything. Socks, beer. Socks, beer.
Yeah.
Socks, underwear.
I guess when you buy socks, you just grab a beer too.
Like, look at the bottle of liquor or wine here.
Oh yeah. What? That's wine? Oh. Wait, can you get one or you have to get the whole box?
You gotta get the whole box.
Okay, that's different. We can get just one or two or however many you want.
Yeah, I mean, look how many trash bags are in this one box.
200?
200.
Oh, gee.
I mean, everything's in big packages. We gotta come to the food.
Where do
This
we
is the
go
crazy
now?
part.
Okay, so now we come to the food.
Look how many sausages in one pack.
You're kidding. Shrimp, creamy chicken, wild rice soup. A lot of yogurt. Yeah, you can see that everything is just bulk, you know.
Everything's huge.
Yeah. That's cheddar cheese dip. It's huge. You have this for I don't know how long.
This store is known for its large sizes. I mean, look at this bag of pretzels compared to my hand. It's really crazy how big everything is.
Have this popcorn forever? Imagine.
Yeah, this store is really overwhelming. It all honestly looks pretty good. They have everything you could want, from chips to clothes to meats to outdoor garden stuff to honey buns, Cheez-Its, goldfish. They also have alcohols, kids' books, clothing, bedding, towels, TVs. What else do they have? They have phones. Basically everything you could ever want is here in this store. Look at this. It's crazy. It's crazy.